Hi all, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm gonna share with you 5 ways that you can make $10,000 per month online from the comfort of your home. For those of you that don't know me, my name is Alex. I own an e-commerce growth agency and we help businesses scale with Facebook ads, Google ads, and email marketing. I've had my marketing agency for 3 years now, and we have worked with over 70 brands in the e-commerce space. Currently, we work with 15 brands, most of which are in the US, and I have a team of 7 people. So as I said earlier, in today's video, I'm gonna share with you 5 ways that you can make $10,000 online from the comfort of your home. So first, we have sales. By becoming a skilled closer, you acquire valuable skills that will benefit you throughout your whole life. Not only you will master the art of persuasion and negotiation, but you also develop resilience and strong work ethic. As a sales professional, you have the opportunity to work with different industries, businesses, and clients. To start, you'll probably need a minimal investment, probably a course or something, because most companies provide training to help you succeed. Some best practices include honing on your communication skills, building relationships with clients, and staying up to date on industry trends. One thing I can recommend you to become a better closer is to believe in the product or service you're promoting. If you don't believe the product will solve your customers' needs, then you won't be able to sell it. You also need to learn the ins and outs of the service or product you're promoting. This way, any objection that comes your way, you will be able to handle it. Number 2, we have an agency. Having an agency will allow you to leverage your experience in an area. So there's a ton of different agencies that you can start: Facebook ads, Google ads, email marketing, content creation, hiring, customer service, and the list goes on. Find the thing that you are interested the most and go after it. To start an agency, you'll probably need a minimum investment, again, a course that will help you understand how to outreach to clients, how to fulfill the client's needs, how to fulfill the services you're gonna provide to clients, how to manage your team, where to hire the people for your team, and how to close the actual deals. Having an agency is a great opportunity because it again requires a very minimal investment, and you can start an agency basically tomorrow. A couple of things I would recommend you if you decide to start an agency is to really focus on customer service and results. Delivering exceptional results will allow you to keep clients for longer, and also when you deliver really good service, your clients will refer you more business, which is essential for growth. You're gonna see a lot of people online telling you that the sales are the most important and you need to focus on sales before you learn how to deliver the service, which I believe is completely wrong, because why would you pitch someone a service when you don't know how to fulfill it? This way you're gonna waste their money, their time, and your time as well. This is one of the reasons agency owners and agencies in general have really bad reputation, because a lot of people online go and pitch services when they don't know how to deliver. Number 3, we have freelancing. You can go on Upwork and Fiverr, the 2 most popular sites online for freelancers, and you can start applying for jobs. In the beginning, you can start by applying to a lot of different jobs just to see what you're gonna like. And again, most companies will provide you training. You can start with basic jobs like posting online, creating content on Canva, filtering lead lists, sending messages, just to name a few. Freelancing could be a great opportunity for you, and it's a great starting point if you want to start earning money online. Every time I need something to be done on my agency as a one-time project, and if I don't have someone on my team to do it, I always go to Upwork, because Upwork has really good talent. I think it's better than Fiverr just because of the experience I had. Later down the line, when you find what you like doing, you can start specializing in a certain niche or skill. This way you could be known as, let's say, the Facebook guy on Upwork, and you can deliver just Facebook ads, and you're gonna get better deals, you're gonna get more customers, etc. Number 4, we have video editing. Right now, the demand for high quality video editing is huge. Everyone is trying to push their personal brand, like myself, for example. So people are in need for quality video editing. To get started, you need a video editing software and potentially a course. So it's important to invest in your skills, because people will pay more money to those that are doing better job. Nobody is gonna pay you thousands of dollars if you're doing basic edits. Building a strong portfolio here is key, which will allow you to attract new clients and sign better deals. You can also network with other filmmakers, YouTubers, and potential clients for your services. And last, we have coaching. In the current day and age, a lot of people are gravitating toward coaching. You can basically become a coach on a topic you have knowledge about and experience. So if you have experience in a specific area and passion for helping others succeed, coaching can be a rewarding and profitable venture. And the benefits of coaching go beyond just making profits. You change people's lives, you help them overcome obstacles in their lives, and you'll be able to inspire others. While coaching typically doesn't require huge investments upfront, investing in personal development is key. To excel, you need to focus on your niche. Building a strong personal brand will also benefit you. And of course, delivering exceptional value to your customers. There you have it. Those are the 5 ways that you can make $10,000 online. Let me know in the comments down below which one you like the most, or if you're already doing $10,000 a month, I would love to hear how you're doing it. If you have an agency but you're struggling to get to 10K a month, there's going to be a link in the description below where you can book a call with me, and I will audit what you're doing, and I will give you tips and advice on how to get to that 10K a month mark, because 10K a month is the goal that a lot of people strive for, and it's a target that is really gonna change your life because it's gonna give you more freedom. So yeah, thank you very much for watching this video. I would really appreciate it if you subscribe and like this video. It really helps me out to get these videos out there. And yeah, thank you for your time, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.